Hello friends, your bald-headed fat man is back again for the fourth time in less than 1 week. I hope this comes out good. Everything else did. We done one unboxing, Norwegian, Arctic menu. We did a review to that. Myself and Readiness Reviews. Done tag team collaboration. That was number 3. And this is one just for me, and I got to show off a knife I've been trying to for a while. So this is going to be number 4 in less than a week, which for me that's a miracle. I don't post one in 4 months, let alone in 1 week. So let's run with it. I'm talking a little bit low, so I'm just trying to get some sleep. Clear my throat. I'll raise my voice a little bit so I know you can hear. Today we have, again, this camera is going to have to be moved multiple times due to situations and this, that, and the other. Tonight, it's almost midnight. We're going to try a chicken noodle stew. Menu 49 from MRE Nation, courtesy of Miss Renee Allen, very dear friend of mine, one of my best ones in the world. This come from when she worked up at MRE Nation and Blackdog Bob. I don't know if Bob sent the meal or Renee. Anyway, Renee was the mail person, I'll put it that way. And hope it goes good. I pre-opened the meal, heated part of it, especially chicken noodle. That saves time on mine and your part. I'm long-winded anyway. So let's start opening and we'll adjust camera angles and go from there. So bear with me. Everything's going to jump around just a little bit for a while. Putting the bag off screen, we have chicken noodle stew. Well, I can show you the dietaries, but we all know what we're eating. Seriously, MREs ain't the healthiest thing in the world. It gets you by, and it's a pretty good hobby. I'm gonna set the main here for now while I talk about something else. Then we'll go back to the meal. Now, a couple of years ago, adjust the camera. I know it's jittery and aggravating. Bear with me. I'm doing the best I can. A couple of years ago, I put in for a contest. Granted, apple step and birch crafts, for a knife sharpener, ferro rod, and the rest to make a, well, of course it won't do it while I'm on camera, but it's a fire starter. It also has flashlight. If my arthritis lets me work. Compass and safety whistle to contact everybody. That was the prize, that and some snacks. Well, he felt sorry for me. He sort of threw in a Rough Rider camp knife. I call it a camp knife. Basically, it's multi-function knife. We got the punch awl, flat blade screwdriver, bottle opener, and this delicate piece of machinery. You can see that little tab right there. I thought I knew what it was. I'm going to close these other ones right now, and then we'll close the rest of it later. Well, that little knife is a can opener. I thought I knew what it was, but I'd never seen one made that way. Leverage process against the pin at the top of the can, and I've not used it on a can yet. I don't want to. I'm not saying the blade would not hold up, but I ain't running a dang good knife when we got plenty of P38s regular can openers here. Main blade. Again, recently refreshed on the ceramic side of that sharpener. I'm going to use that knife tonight. I'm trying to figure out, do I put the main out first and do the unboxing, or do the unboxing and now that'll stay warm here. Let me move the knife out of the way. Got my tactical sport to eat with. Ain't gonna go hungry. I'm sure there'll be a spoon in there, but also I've got this comes from Argentina or MRE.com. My cup, plenty of hot water in it for the coffee. Also, guess who that come from? Argentina at MRE.com. They're sitting to the side along with a highly frozen glass of water. Trust me, I put it in there and left it too long. I had to do ice chipping just to be able to pour the cold drink in it. As stated earlier, I did open the bag and okay, jittery, I apologize. Anyway, I did open the bag and check on components, so I knew what to pre-plan for, which it'd be over with now if I didn't talk so long. Main is heated. Let's see what else we got. We have sweetened condensed milk SCM creamer spread, which can be used on crackers, cookies, coffee, tea. Best multitasker in the world. We have off screen. We'll change that camera angle again. And I know, friends, this is all jittery. I'm just doing the best I can with what I got to work with on short notice. Accessory pack. We'll delve into that shortly. We have an FRH, which my luck with these lately has not been the best, so I went ahead and just heated the main in boiling water. We have cornbread, trans fat free. I know you can't see for the glare, but that's supposed to be the nutritional facts. But I if I come too close, ain't gonna see. If I go too far away, you ain't gonna see. So, like I said, military food. We all know it's not the healthiest in the world, but well, it's our hobby, and we're just watch my fingers, John. It's been a bad week or two on mishaps with sharp objects. Cornbread, well, half of the cornbread, and now the other half, well, Lord. Well, we got pieces of cornbread rather than cornbread. the side, or the empty package to the side just a little while. And apologies, review is not going exactly as I planned, but it rarely does. So I'm used to it. As long as you all can get a laugh with me, I don't care. Oxygen absorber, do not eat. Thank you, G. Schultz. So I guess I'm not going to eat. We also have, excuse me, I was out in the yard today, pollen and everything. Throat's raw, I'm coughing, I'm sneezing, so bear with me. We have peanut butter. We can go that way, come in, and it's either too close, too far, or I got the glare on these lovely brown packages, which always seems to happen. Now here, well, there went my FRH on the floor. Let's make that up. Let them sit in a chair because I couldn't bend down that far if I had to. Package here, trans fat free, fudge brownie. Diabetic, but I do indulge on sweets on occasion. This is going to be one of them. Got my knife. Maybe it's in less pieces than the cornbread was. Yeah, okay, one piece. Again, Mr. G. Schultz's warning, do not eat. So we will dispose of that along with the packaging. Step to the side. We have, I got a care package for CT. Canadian trucker, Mr. Michael. He loves grape jelly. I'll give you his address, and you can send all the grape jelly you want to him, and he would be so appreciative. Yeah, I know what you're gonna message me back. To me, it's funny anyway, Mike. Sorry. We have, what do we have? Peanut. It's cut off right up here at the top, and you can barely read that. Peanut butter dessert bar. So we're gonna have sweet cornbread. We're gonna have chocolate brownie. We're gonna have well, there is a fourth of the peanut butter bar, and there is the other 3/4. Well, I guess all there is to do. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the main. I had to reach across the camera, sorry. And we're gonna go to the accessory kit, and I'm sorry I'm blocking the camera, y'all. Chicken noodle stew contains soy sweet and a whole bunch more things that people could be allergic to. I'm not, so I'm not going to read all the warnings or the contents. So, knives to the side. Let's see. Let's do the accessory pack. Glen's knife, without hopefully removing a finger or bloodletting in the process. Spoon. Hello. Oh, okay, there we are. Keep moving my camera around. It's hard for me to see. Spoon, don't need. Sit by for extras. titanium tactical sport for an MRE. See here, we have off screen, wet nap, set to the side, salt, and pepper, both are a lovely addition. We have true lime, true lemon, make a drink. Yeah. Okay. We also have a orange drink. We only got one thing, cold water, so one of them's going to be saved back, so I'll figure that out in a minute. Coffee creamer. I personally do not use coffee. Deep rich, I've had this before. Now this one either is highly vacuum packed or it may have been compromised. That'll be what I open up next and see. And we have a pack of Smarties. American Smarties, not Canadian Smarties. Y'all, we've done argued about that, CT. And a few more of y'all up there. I'm gonna, first of all, I'm gonna open this cause I think the coffee is compromised. We'll find out. I'll do it off screen first. To say the least, the coffee is compromised. That is not grounds. That is Mother Nature took its toll on it. That is a big, yep, I ain't gonna drop that here and put food in it. Anyway, I ain't gonna do no coffee, which it's almost midnight, or actually now is midnight, so I didn't eat it anyway. So we'll go from there. So I said I wasn't going to use it, but I got this rather than hurting some other stuff. Let's see. I'm going to put the orange clear with vitamin C. Well, hold on. No, I will not. Much like the coffee, and it's a little bit older ration. I think 2017, 2018. But my orange powder, you know, trying to open it and show you. Did not, well, ain't no powder. It's like the coffee. I got what looks like a brownie. So, 2 down. Let's see how the true lime and true lemon does. And they feel flexible, not solid. So I think I do have a chance at having one drink to go with this. And true lime is in powder form. Move camera. works. The package. Yeah, we're going to have a limeade tonight, y'all. Don't know if you ever go to Sonic or not, but that's what we're having. Sort of modified greatly. Again, powder's loose, good and free. Don't need the creamer. Got salt and pepper. Wet nap. I know we got sugar here somewhere. Pepper. Well, I thought I had sugar. I'm sure it is somewhere. If I had coffee, I got sugar and creamer. Now I got coffee and creamer. Just can't see the sugar probably right in front of my face. But let's go ahead and use that plastic spoon to just mix everything up. Boy, that do have a whang to it, y'all. Sweet condensed milk. Open. On standby. A little bit brown, but I've had the dark color ones before. There it is on the edge of my knife. Take a taste. Nope, nothing wrong with that. Who there wouldn't? That stuff is bulletproof, y'all. Really don't need the grape jelly tonight. I'm saving that back for CT as previously stated. Peanut butter. I'll open that. I can use that on a couple of different items, I do believe. And just for the sake of it, let's get my knife down here. Nothing wrong with that peanut butter, y'all. We're good to go. Concentrate on the meal now. I'm already 22 minutes in, and I ain't even started eating yet, so. Okay. Sport. Let's right off the bat. Again, I'm going to be moving this camera around, y'all. This is not the best of situations. I'm doing the best I can with what I got. Chicken noodle stew. Menu 49. MRE Nation, Blackdog Bob. No problem. Well, let's see if I can get the whole thing in my mouth. Two bites, no old taste, no metallic taste. Get me a drink of my limeade to wash that down. Peanut butter bar, little bitty piece. Bear with me. Dry, chewy, tastes excellent. It's peanut butter bar, y'all. Y'all know what peanut butter does to your mouth, so. Brownie. Just get a little piece off the top, and I'll finish the rest of it here shortly. That's good. Second piece. again, it's slowing me down talking, but I talk slow anyway. Nothing wrong with that. Cornbread. Now, being from the South, number one, I don't really like sweet cornbread. These are very sweet. I won't exactly call it cornbread, but I will be honest, it makes a dang good snack. Another drink, you know. Other than also the coffee, the clear orange drink, both of them had set up. Absolutely nothing wrong with any of this. Let's do a little mix and match. Get some sweet cornbread here. That's well, another messy review. Messy review is a good review, I always say. Peanut butter on cornbread. Winning combination. Go back and get some more chicken, y'all. Oh. Like I said, best review is a good review. Let's use a wet nap and clean up just a little bit. Now I'll get back to what I was doing. Wet nap is still wet, very. Somewhat delicate, it would seem. Aroma is lemon scented. Despite the tears, it'll definitely do its job. Okay. Now, let's try this again. Still got my wet nap over here. Peanut butter. Chocolate brownie. Peanut butter and chocolate. Okay. Bump the camera. Apologies. Good combination. I'm sorry it takes me a little while to talk after I eat. Excuse me. All are either rich, dry, or a combination of the above. Peanut butter bar. No use putting peanut butter on it, but tell you what, let's just put some sweetened condensed milk on. I was going to use it in the coffee, but I ain't got no coffee, so let's see how that goes. Rich, dry, however, yet tasty. Powder drinks are the only thing that went wrong. Everything else is excellent. Well, we got the sweetened condensed milk coating. Let's try that on chocolate brownie. Again, maybe overkill, but I got it to use. I ain't gonna waste it. I done opened it, so we're gonna use it. Winning combination. Um, Sweet cornbread. A little bit on it. Try it with that. All components of this meal work very well together. No problem. Get another bite of the main. I apologize for the lack of coffee and um, a certain drink, but other drink worked out just fine. Meal is excellent. Items combined are either dry, chewy, or dry you out even more, but there's no problem with that. They taste great. Being from the South, like I started to say early, uh, let's get that out of there. And again, another messy meal. Uh, I like savory cornbread, not sweet. So I don't use this as quote unquote cornbread. I use it as another, like the brownie or the peanut butter bar. Use it as a snack. And while I've been talking, you can see what happened to the sweetened condensed milk down here. Everything is excellent that I have tried. I'm sorry we lost a few items. That goes with age sometimes. Well, I've lost a few things with my age too. I went to the barber yesterday and got a haircut. I told him it's sort of like pruning a dead tree, but I had to go through the motions anyway. So, Glen apple stump bushcraft. I will clean this knife up. It'll go back into the box until next time we decide to use it. Yours is in rotation with everybody else's. I just bring them out as well, I hate to say as I see fit, but anyway, it comes out in rotation. Great meal here. Thank you, Renee. Thank you, Blackdog Bob. Thank you, MRE Nation. And thank you, Glen, at Apple Stuff Bushcraft. Uh, hope I give you a little bit of entertainment from that. Y'all take care. Stay safe. Be safe. Peace. John, Somerset, Kentucky. See y'all next time. Bye, y'all.